Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about calculus. So what is calculus? Calculus is a branch of mathematics which helps us understand changes between values that are related by a function. For example, if you had one formula telling how much money you got every day, calculus would help you understand related formulas like how much money you have in total and whether you are getting more money or less than you used to. All these formulas are functions of time, and so that is one way to think of calculus. Studying functions of time. There are two different types of calculus. Differential calculus divides things into small pieces and tells us how they change from one moment to the next, while integral calculus joins the small pieces together and tells us how much of something is made overall by a series of changes. Calculus is used in many different areas of study such as physics, biology, engineering, economics, medicine and sociology, etc. Also, calculus helps to determine how particles, stars and matter actually move and change in real time. Calculus is used in a multitude of fields that you would not ordinarily think would make use of its concepts. Among them are physics, engineering, economics, statistics, medicine. Calculus is also used in such disparate areas as space travel, as well as determining how medication interact with the body and even how to build cipher structures. You will understand why calculus is useful in so many areas if you know a bit about its history as well as what it is designed to do and measure. There are two branches of calculus, differential and integral calculus. Differential calculus studies and derivative, and integral calculus studies the integral. Differential calculus determines the rate of change of a quantity. It examines the rates of change of slopes and curves. This branch is concerned with the study of the rate of change of functions with respect to their variables, especially through the use of derivatives and differentials. The derivative is the slope of line on a graph. You find the slope of a line by calculating the rise over the run. Now let's discuss integral calculus. Integral calculus by contrast seeks to find the quantity where the rate of change is known. This branch focuses on such concepts as slopes of tangent lines and velocities. While differential calculus focuses on the curve itself, integral calculus concerns itself with the space or area under the curve. Integral calculus is used to figure the total size or value such as lengths, areas and volume. Calculus has many practical applications in real life. Some of the concepts that use calculus include motion, electricity, heat, light, harmonics and astronomy. Calculus is used in geography, computer vision, photography, artificial intelligence, robotics, video games and even movies. Calculus is also used to calculate the rates of radioactive decay in chemistry and even to predict birth and death rates, as well as in the study of gravity, ship design and geometric curves, etc. In physics, for example, calculus is used to help define, explain and calculate motion, electricity, heat, light, harmonics, astronomy and dynamics. In addition, calculus is used to check answers for different mathematical disciplines such as statistics, analytical geometry, and algebra. Economists use calculus to predict supply, demand, and maximum potential profits. Supply and demands are, after all, essential, charted on a curve and an ever-changing curve at that. I hope so you got this simple concept about calculus. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe.